bar nilo ma'atir ma zamle azalna jibas ድምጽ ዝባል ይላል አራተኛ ወላ ዝገበና ድምጽ ተወሰና ድምጽ ዝባል አቱን ይዘሎ ኦኬ ድምጽ የለም ራይት ስፒከር ነቲና ስፒከራችን ያለና ድምጽ የለም ንሽቴ ድምጽ የለም አዚህ ንሽቴ አዚህ ድምጽ ይዘሎ very small sound okay okay إذا بود 5 مسل 4 TDA إسرة 3 اللوا okay إذا بود 5 مسل ما okay the main reason for this okay voltage drop يبرالو ማለት ይገርቦታ አረ voltage አብዚ አይዝና አብዚ 14 good አብዚ 14 volt good አብዚ 14 volt good አብዚ 30 volt አብዚ 30 volt is good አብዚ 14 volt good ጋዝ ናብዚ 14 volt good 14 volt good 30 volt good this one 17 volts okay there is something error in this 17 volts there is something error 17 volts okay 34 Man. This one 17 good Sayona. 17 good 17 good 34 every axis in good condition so now we'll have to check this so the problem is on this transistor chip transistor so we will have to use jumper this one okay this is one side okay I will have to switch off because if something short it will burn out okay one line okay good from this I will have to check which one is good sound this one okay sound okay I will connect the speaker or the external speaker look on this okay okay but there is no sound okay look at this I will switch off now. I will out the speaker line. I would like to connect the line. This one is a line. Okay, this one from this one to this resistor. Okay, where is this? Please take care, don't short any other line. Take care the jumper, take care on the jumper. Okay, now we'll have to change to check the sound. I think it will work well. Okay, look on this. I will connect the USB again. USB coming. Okay, this is good. Add speaker. Thank you for watching. It is working now. That is working. Thank you so much. I'm finishing my lesson. Okay. Bye.